Well, hello on this Monday, and quiet week here. Actually, a little chilly is what we'll be talking about. But the big weather story for the country is really going to be California getting some much needed moisture. This is the time of year that they recharge the reservoirs of water. And most importantly, heavy snow is what they need because the rest of the year is pretty dry. And we do have the setup here. A lot of Pacific moisture. We're going to see a couple of plumes. The first one is coming down mid to late week. That's going to touch off a lot of rain along coastal areas, but then tons of snow in the Sierra Nevada. So this is precipitable water, so basically water content coming from the tropics. And just like our biggest storm systems rely on Gulf of Mexico moisture, the West Coast relies on a tropical Pacific stream of moisture. And that finger of moisture will be pointing right at California by Tuesday night into Wednesday, Thursday, probably Friday, and kind of stalling out there for a while too. So the perfect setup for a lot of moisture. Of course, you don't want it all at once like this because after the record fire season, you do have vulnerable areas to mudslides and the such, but this is just how it works there. This is the normal cycle, and they do need that moisture. So waves of moisture coming down the coast. We're talking some places 5 to 10 plus inches of water equivalent all up and down California here by the end of the week, with some of the heaviest in the mountains. So the mountains literally squeeze out that water. And of course, it's cold enough for snow. This is Mammoth Mountain. Look at the forecast, 116 inches of snow this week. Pretty crazy stuff. And yeah, it will be confined mostly to this east central part of California and the mountains there. Everything in purple. This is over 90 inches of snow potentially. So tons of fresh snow there. For us, we're looking at a little bit of a midweek chill. Temperatures are cooler than what we were expecting the last couple of days. Kind of a backdoor cold front means Tuesday, Wednesday, chillier temperatures, maybe a shot at sub-zero. Otherwise, we won't have any in January. And then milder temperatures build back in for the end of the week and the weekend into early next week. Looks like we're going to be starting off February on a mild note in the low 30s. So upper teens to around 20 today with sunshine. We'll have a few high mid-level clouds. And then tomorrow, more the same, probably mid to upper teens. Chillier, though, Wednesday. Again, Wednesday, Thursday morning, our only shot at sub-zero. European model drops us just a degree or two below the zero mark. And then only low teens on Wednesday. Potential for sub-zero readings again early Thursday. And then here's Saturday, near or above freezing slightly. And that's going to be the problem with the next storm system heading our way. So again, this week will be quiet, but by Saturday, we're looking at another system moving in. European models further south, colder, so it keeps us in the snow side. That's going to add up some totals for us. But the American model is further north, keeps us on the warmer side of things. So this is a side-by-side European model versus the American model as far as the snowfall adding up here on Saturday. So because of that different track, European model yields much more snow for us, potential for several inches, but the American model gives us almost nothing. So we'll see what happens. About 19 today, down into the single digits tonight, back into the teens tomorrow. Wednesday, the chilliest day of the week, just low teens and a shot at sub-zero Wednesday and Thursday mornings. And then we're warming back up, 20s, seasonable again by Friday. And the last couple days of January, the last weekend of January, looks mild with those temperatures near the freezing mark into early next week as we start February.